I am really excited today because I just got the new August Hedgehog Hollow kit. And so I love to do this unboxing video. I usually do it live, but I usually do it in the morning. So I didn't have a chance to do that this morning. I had appointments, and so I'm doing it tonight so that I can show you all the great things in this box, and then I can go get to creating, because there are some really great things in this box today. I don't know if you've ever tried one of these Hedgehog Hollow boxes, but they're one of my new favorite kits that I get in the mail now. They always come with so much amazing product, and today I want to show you what came for this kit for August. This one is a blue theme. You can see she always changes up her colors, which is kind of fun because you never know what you're going to get. And this one obviously is going to have some kind of traveling theme. It looks like London, with love from London. And then you will see that every month you also get some savings from the different companies that are included. So this month is La La Land Crafts, Ellen Hudson, and Tonic. So that's pretty exciting. So let me just show you these. I already took a peek at some of these because I couldn't wait. Look at these cute sets. This one is called Sending Hedgehogs, and there's a little hedgehog. Now I knew there was going to be a hedgehog, excuse me, in this kit because it is from the Hedgehog Hollow after all. So I was expecting one day to get a kit with these, but there's this cute little guy holding an envelope and lots of really great sentiments. Sending hedgehogs with love from our prickle. Wish you were here. Handmade for you by me. Thanks for sticking by me. Sorry for being prickly. Miss you. Stuck on you. From and to. And then there's some cute little flowers. Small little ones that you can use for various things. That's going to be so cute on an envelope. And then we have this set, which has all the hedgehogs. Let's see if this one has a name. Looking Sharp. So this is called Looking Sharp. And I think, if I'm correct, these were designed exclusively for the Hedgehog Hollow for this box. So we have this cute little hedgehog with an umbrella. This one wearing glasses, looking sharp. And we have one holding a balloon, one with tea and biscuits or crumpets, one with a little camera. There is a camera here, so you can put a camera around one of their necks because it does look like they're traveling to London. We got the double-decker bus here, a couple taxis, and Big Ben, and a few sentiments, really cute. Oh snap, looking sharp, and time for tea. So a really fun set. That's going to be fun to play with. And then this is the new Global Love set that is exclusive, designed by the Hedgehog Hollow. And I love this set. Look, there is love here, but you can see the O is taken out of the love. So you could replace that with one of these flags. And these are from the United States, obviously, Australia, or this is Australia here, and Great Britain. And so you could do a nice travel theme or put those in instead of the O. Really cute. And I do know that let me show you really quick. I went and got this so that I could show you for this unboxing. They also have a Global Love Digistamp add-on. Because they couldn't fit all of the countries they wanted to do in this set, they are including this Digistamp set. And I did write the name of the countries so that I could remember to tell you what's what. This one is France. And then we have Singapore, Canada, Dubai, New Zealand, and Slovakia. So there are some different countries that you can elect to use for these traveling hedgehogs. And also in this kit is the Funky Tape Runner from Tonic. I have not tried this. I heard that it's really great. It's a really good tape runner that'll keep things together. So I'm excited to try that one. Oh, some candy. This is Fun Dip. I used to get this when I was a kid from the candy trucks. So that is good. And then if you are a subscriber and you get these kits every month, this is one of the extras. And what a great value. These are the watercolor pencils from Marvy Uchida. And I love watercolor pencils. I have not tried this brand before, so this will be really fun to try. So you can color it in and then use a damp brush and you get a watercolor look. So that'll be perfect for these hedgehogs. And then of course one thing I almost forgot here. This is an action wobble. So that will be fun for adding a little bit of movement to your hedgehogs. And then some papers. So we have here the card bases that are already cut. You just need to score them and fold them. Perfect for your card bases. And then some papers to try. This one has a little bit of a texture to it. And this one has some polka dots. Really cute. And then this is watercolor paper. There's two different sides. This one is a smoother side and this one is a more textured side. So that's perfect and will go great with those watercolor pencils. So that is the kit for August. A really fun kit. Lots of cute things and new things to me that I have never tried. So that's another reason I love these kits. Look at all this fun. So just wanted to share all of that with you very quickly before I open all these up and get started creating my cards. So hope you liked this really quick tour and unboxing video. If you want more information, you can go to thehedgehoghollow.com. Go to her shop and she'll have all the information about the boxes and how you can subscribe, or you can just purchase one box if you want, just to give it a try. So anyway, in my opinion, they're worth it. One of my favorites, and I will be bringing you some projects very soon because I can't wait. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a really great evening. We'll see you next time. Bye.